Let me show you how to create the most incredibly light and fluffy cake using just your rice cooker. Start with 6 eggs and 50 milliliters of milk in your mixer. Add 300 grams of all-purpose cake flour. That specific ratio creates the added structure. Now here is the crucial part. Mix until the batter becomes thick and ribbon-like. This aeration is what gives you that professional level rise and texture. Gently pour in 15 grams of oil. This adds without deflecting all those precious air bubbles you just created. The key is using a folding motion rather than stirring, preserving the light, airy structure. This method guarantees perfect results every time. Pour into a generous glazed rice cooker pot. The even, gentle heat of the rice cooker acts like a professional convection oven, cooking the cake perfectly without any hot spots or burning. Set it for 45 minutes on the cook function and walk away. Once that timer goes off, you will uncover a perfectly doomed cake that is golden brown and smelling absolutely incredible. No sinking, no shrinking, just beautifully rice and cake that rivals any bakery version. The fast slides reverse the perfect crumb structure, light, airy, and moist throughout. The texture is so soft, it practically melts in your mouth. This is not just baking, it is foolproof perfection. The rice cooker's seat environment creates ideal steam and heat distribution. Once you master these simple principles, you will never fear cake baking again.